You know, I'm still gonna contour, yeah.
Pop in her, throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're about to title, y'all already know we are going to play in some makeup, but this time we are going to be doing a full face of 2025 makeup trends. Now y'all, I am probably late to this, but I really do not care. I'm like, let's play in some makeup, let's do some makeup trends, because I heard that it's evolving, of course, and it's bringing back some color for eyeshadow and like all of that, y'all. So we're gonna get into this video, but before we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 1,500, y'all. We are almost there, so support your girl. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below once again, y'all, and subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and get into this, y'all, because I was supposed to film this like hours ago and we're not gonna talk about it. So the skin very dry, y'all, so we're gonna go in and use the Believe moisturizer right here, y'all. I really do love this stuff. This is the True Cream moisturizing balm. It's very thick, definitely for dry skin girlies like myself, and I just overall love it. Like, oh, and y'all, I lost the nail. So depressing, but this product is amazing. Well, I didn't lose the nail. I'm gonna glue it back on tomorrow. Skin, it came back some. It came back some. So we're gonna go in and start on the eyes first, because we actually get to play in some color, y'all, just a little bit. I'm too busy trying to jump straight into eyes, y'all. I gotta do the brows. So for brows, y'all, it says natural like structure, so like not really defined or so, but I don't know, y'all. I really can't do that. I will try my hardest. So I'm gonna still do my little normal thing, y'all, and just slick them up like I've been doing. I think that is a good route to bring us to the new year, like just to show a little bit of something, nothing too much, not too heavy filling them in, but still a good, you know, shaping. My brows really do need threading, y'all, and I ain't getting them threaded probably, I don't know when. So we're still gonna like do a little bit of defining, but nothing too much. Kind of still make it the new trend-ish, I hope, but that's all we're gonna do with the brows. I'm still gonna be taking my concealer, y'all, to shape them up. I cannot go without doing this. I'm sorry. So I don't know if it's a part of the trend, but it's gonna be a part of my trend. Let's be for real. Now, y'all, we're gonna go into the eyes. Now, the eyes kind of surprised me. I thought it was gonna be like last year when it was like not too much eyeshadow, more so like a natural shimmer, and that's it. No, this year is actually gonna be playing in color. So let's read off what it exactly says while I blend this out. It says experimentation with vibrant eyeshadows on the eyes, potentially with monochromatic looks and playful color combinations. So I was surprised, y'all, but you know, like I said, we love playing in color around here, so we're gonna do something. Since it is February, y'all, we're gonna be playing some pink. So I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place Berries palette. So maybe just go in with this shade right here. Like, this will be a cute crease color. Just blend it all on the crease, y'all, just to give it something, some type of definition, nothing too much. It's kind of killing me, y'all, not being able to get like my P. Louise Rumor 5 base, because I didn't want to do too much. But like, I don't know, this, I feel like it's already, I feel like the color is not there. So what y'all think, y'all? Yeah, am I over exaggerating? We're gonna deepen it up a little bit, y'all, nothing too much. We're gonna go in with this color right here just to add something. I don't want to do too much. I just want to like deepen it a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Did y'all see what the color of the year is? I thought it was gonna be like that mauvey berry tone, but I think it's like, ooh, but I think it's like a brown tone, y'all. I could be wrong. I really could be wrong, because I don't really pay attention that much to stuff like that. But I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know what I put up on the screen, like what the actual color is. But I thought it was gonna be like the berry color that people were doing for Christmas, and they're talking about it's like a neutral like a neutral color. Like, so I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna just blend out any corners that I have that I am unaware of, make sure everything looks seamless. Yeah, so this is what we got. Like, it's cute, it's cute, like very so I want to go bold so bad, y'all, but I don't want to go too bold because I don't know how like the skin's supposed to look. So we got color. That's all that matters, right? that's what we're gonna hope. Then for shimmer, we got two options, y'all. This one or this one. I've already played in this one, so I think we're gonna go in with this shade right here since it's like a little toner down and put it on. That's a pretty color. That is a very, very pretty color. I hope y'all can see it, but yeah. So y'all, no cut crease, still depressing, but we got some color, so we're coming back. We're coming on back. I ain't gonna hold y'all, that's kind of cute. So now we're gonna get into skin, y'all. I'm using my Refined Primer. Just gonna go in and prime the skin. Y'all, when I say y'all I love this stuff, I love the mechanism behind it on the roll. I don't know, they kind of sold me on this. Like, this is actually a really good primer. Look how hydrated that looks. And then we blend it in with the one side, secure the blur just a little bit, y'all. Not using too much because I'm taking this like right back off once I finish. So yeah, but let's start on skin. So for this, y'all, I kind of already got the gist. I'm not crazy. I'm gonna make my predictions first. It is definitely gonna be like satin skin, like your skin, but better. Probably not a lot of contour, maybe like more so bronzing. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, bronzing or whatever. I think that's probably what it's gonna be. So let's go in and read what they actually said and let this sit for a minute. See, I was right. It says natural skin focus, emphasis on a no makeup aesthetic with dewy hydrated skin achieved through lightweight foundations and skin like finishes prioritizing skincare inspired makeup products. So, you know, I guess so. But that being said, y'all, we are going to do a light foundation, and I already pulled out the foundation that I was going to end up using regardless on what I was thinking anyway. So that is going to be the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Skin Finish Foundation. I actually love this foundation. At first it really wasn't like my like priority foundation, but like I started liking it more and more. And that's all the pumps I'm gonna use for right now. Just look for yeah, that's much right here, because I don't want the foundation to be too much. So we're gonna start off with a light amount and spread it out, y'all, just so it can look like skin still. And yes, it's orange. It's gonna dry down perfectly fine, promise me. I already know y'all already talk about it's the wrong undertone. I get it, I know, trust me. I can't even match. Look at my neck, look at my chest. It don't match anyway, so do it really matter? No. But like, yes, once the color dries down, y'all, it is gonna look so good. Definitely a My Skin But Better product, because the shine is still there, the glow is still there. Like, it's nothing bad about it. But with that being said, y'all already know concealer is not gonna be a brighter shade. It's gonna go in with my normal Morphe and put it here. I'm not gonna bring it down as far because once again, it is still skin-like. So yeah, so we're just gonna do just a little bit, nothing too much. So I would definitely say for me this is a soft glam. Oh, I came down too far, so now I gotta do this side. Crazy, but I would definitely say this is a soft glam for me, not a full glam, because baby, I'm a full glam. I need a bright under eye. Like, there is no way around it. So yeah, we're gonna let this sit. So let's figure out what it is for like bronzing, like bronzer. Is it bronzer, bronzing with blush? I don't know, y'all. So let's see. Okay, so for blush slash bronzer, it says glowy blush application, taking center stage, often replacing heavy contouring with the focus on natural flush tones. You know, I'm still gonna contour, y'all. I can't not contour, but I'm not gonna hold you. The one I'm going in with is gonna be close to my skin tone. You probably won't even tell that it's there. I'm gonna be taking my Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Concealer in the shade 19. Like, look how close it is. Like, yeah, like, you don't even, hold on, this might not even be the darkest shade, y'all. Give me one moment, hold on. I actually have one darker, y'all. This is shade 20. This is the one I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using the darkest one because that kind of blended in literally with my skin tone. So let's see. This, y'all, it's not even showing up. We're just gonna make the most out of it. It did give the cheek a little bit of definition though. I'm not gonna hold you about that. Like, it gave it a little something, nothing too much though. And then do this side. Yeah, it gave something. It wasn't a lot, but it did do something, right? Because I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Yeah, y'all see that. Yeah, see? It did a little something, just a little bit. Go here. So y'all, I'm actually thinking about doing like a black owned brand makeup tutorial. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want that for Black History Month. I probably do it anyways, I ain't gonna hold y'all, but I do want to include y'all like on what I plan to do, so y'all can like watch the certain videos y'all like. Of course, get y'all opinion on what you want to see, really. So yeah, but I'm gonna go do some blending out here, making sure everything look nice and seamless with no line of demarcation. Now we are going to blend in the nose. Now let's go ahead and get into this blush. This is going to be like bronzing in a sense. So with that being said, I pulled out a darker kind of blush that I could use for bronzing in a sense. This is the e.l.f. Camo Blush, and it is in the shade Bronze Bombshell. Is this going to look right with the eyes? No, but like, look at that color. It's like, it'll be a cute little bronzer, I guess. Yeah. So just gonna go ahead and blend this out. Like, that just blended into the skin, y'all. Now we're gonna go in with this shade right here. This is Huda Beauty blush in the shade Black Cherry, y'all. Just to tie in these colors. I don't want it to look crazy with orange blush with pink lids, so we are going to tie in literally these colors. I'm not cheating, but I'm kind of cheating because, like, yeah, but I do want to make sure that everything looks cohesive and together and not looking crazy. So call it what you want, but this is in the shade Peach Pie. Just going and setting everywhere where that's at. Yeah, like, look at that difference. My little sponge, I'm using it from Morphe. I really don't like this sponge this much, y'all, because it kind of like all the liquids or whatever, it kind of absorbs in a sense. So since this is like a skin base or so, I'm gonna go in with this just so it can still look skin like and not look sucked in matte. I'm not gonna set my blush. I'm gonna let it stay like that because it's skin like, so it's gonna be more dewy on the dewy side, y'all. So we're gonna leave it like that. Now I know it's not heavy contour, y'all, but I gotta use a little bit. So we're gonna go in with that Fenty. Just make a little bit of shadow, nothing too much. Go on the temples, y'all. Not doing too much, just some taps, up, down. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So instead of me going back in with a powder, I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used earlier and just tap, making sure that blush is defined and is dewy and is glowy and it's coming through. Like, yeah, like, that's cute. So I'm not gonna fill in my brows, y'all, simply because it says no structure. So this is all the brows is gonna look like. But now we're gonna go in and do eyeliner. So for eyeliner, it says a fully rimmed eyeliner is making the comeback, adding sharp edge to overall look. So people love doing bottom liner, and now people are tight lining. So I'm not a tight line girly. I've recently just started doing it. So we're gonna do it for this look because it's kind of gonna need. I'm gonna be taking my KVD eyeliner in black. I'm gonna take a brush and go up under here, y'all. Now for tight lining, I'm gonna have to take one of my palettes that have a mirror in it. I'm like, look up. Yeah, so we are gonna finish off the look. I went ahead and did like some lashes and mascara, just little small lashes, y'all, just to give it a little some because doing a full, like doing like colorful eyeshadow and you expect me to wear my real lashes is kind of crazy. So I wasn't doing that because I already ain't got no brows on, y'all. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and do lip. There are two different lips, y'all. You have a neutral lip, which focuses on lip glosses and soft satin looks, but you also have like the berry tone lip or so that people been doing. And what y'all think? Berry tone, nude. let's do berry tone. We're gonna do berry tone. I'm actually gonna be taking this NYX lip liner that I have not used. Y'all, at least I got the packaging on it. I went and cleaned off my lips, so this color is gonna be so pretty if I can get this on. Finally, we got somewhere, cause baby, I was using a mess out of this pencil, but so we got a little something. Don't want to be bold. I'm gonna take a lipstick. I think I'm gonna take this pink right here from MAC, because I'm really just experimenting now because I ain't got nothing else better to do. So we're gonna end it off with my Fenty Beauty Fuchsia Flicks Gloss. And then we're gonna set the face, y'all, with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That's just to bring some hydration back to the face, so it can look like so it can look dewy and glowy. But yeah, y'all, this is the lip. It matches the eyeshadow. What we thinking? We thinking no, we thinking yes, da 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 da. Like, it's not terrible. Let's try this again. Okay, y'all, this is what we got. And then we're gonna take this in the center. Then we're gonna take this Wet n Wild right here, lip oil and Marlette Glass. It's like a berry shade. Okay, I'm liking this so much better because that other one, Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. So what do you all think? Like, subtle, eyes look good, barely any brows, no contour really blush, but like subtle blush, like very skin-like. And then the lips, that berry lip combo that people were talking about. Like, yeah, what we thinking? Let me know down below. But anyways, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoy it. This look, it's kind of really pretty. Like, I really do like it. I just need brows. I need the full glam from 2016, y'all. I cannot do this subtle mixed with like color. Like, I can't do that. So let me know what you all think down below in the comments. Before y'all go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And y'all let me know if I should do a full makeup of black on brands 2015 or 2016. Like, let me know what y'all want to see down below in my videos, and I will get started on them. But anyways, y'all, thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all Thursday with a new video.